has been part of me anyway. Last year that I celebrated my birthday, I celebrated it with the Jamindo Mother's Children's. That was where I did my last birthday. So this year, I wanted a rebrand, like to do another thing else. Like I've always been doing this kind of community development movement. So I just think, just let me do this community service to the people of Iju.
You found yourself at the floor of Ogun State Assembly tomorrow. What other project are you going to do when you're already doing what you're supposed to do when you eventually become House of Assembly member?
Definitely, it's very visible to the blind and very audible to the deaf. It's part of me anyway, and I've been doing this. If I'm being chanced or financially very buoyant, definitely I will do more than this. And probably if by the grace of Almighty Allah I get there on the seats, I will do more than this. Definitely. Sure, we are going to every nook and crannies of this altar. We are touching everywhere, and we have started from somewhere. Right now we are doing a project in Iju. We are still moving forward to Ota, Songu, Ijoko. We are still going further. We have a long way to go, and I pray Almighty Allah guide me.
All right, thanks so much for speaking with us. Your name again?
My name is Bakare Oladimeji, popularly known as Jaja.
Well, orúkọ ti tèmi ni Ustaz Abdulsami Ali.
Báwo lè ṣe jẹ́ ní Iju?
Well, èmi ni afa Honorable Jaja. Well, Cherry Honorable Jaja, èèyàn tó dáa ni, tó sì tún máa ń gbà pé kéèyàn fún un nímọ̀ràn tó dáa. Tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ètò tán bá ń ṣe, èmi là fa àwọn tó bá rẹ̀ ti bá mi sọ, tó bá ní pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run èyí tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe náà tún dáa. Lópin ìgbà téèyàn bá láníyàn pé mo fẹ́ tún ìlú ṣe, Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ fún wọn ṣe. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìwà wọn àti gbogbo nǹkan tó ti ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ tó pé èyí tí wọ́n ṣe fún Máyáṣì lẹ́nìí kò ń ṣe àkọ́kọ́ tí mo rí. Níjọ́ kan wọ́n ti lọ sí skul kan tán lọ tó yẹ pé wọ́n lọ renovate skul yẹn ó tiẹ̀ ti wó palẹ̀ rárá o. Wọ́n lọ renovate and aside of that àwọn nǹkan oríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ti ṣe káàkiri. Eléyìí náà gbà tó tún wá pé mo ní ẹ̀tún ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kódà gan-an wá tí mo ti ṣe fún ọmọ aṣínsìn mo tún rán létí pé táwọn bá tún wá débi tán ń lọ ká má jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ eléyìí wọ́n kàn fi ń ṣe kí táwọn bá tún débi tán ń lọ kán má gbàgbé kán tún ṣe ń tó dáa jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ faraàlú. Orúkọ mi ni Ustaz Abdulsami Ali.
My name is Yakubu Ibrahim Adejare.
All right, your designation, sir?
I am a head teacher.
Okay, head teacher of Saudi?
No, that is St. Peter's Primary School, AC School, Yanayesi.
What can you say about this facility that Honorable Jaja has set at Iju community?
It's a laudable and remarkable achievement on the part of this young, energetic man. And I've known him for about 15 to 20 years ago. When he was in primary school, I happened to be one of his teachers then, and I know the type of person he is. So he has been trying a lot of things to make that people around him does not lack anything.
Are you convinced enough that Honorable Jaja eventually achieves or becomes a House of Assembly member? Are you convinced enough that he can deliver?
Definitely he can, provided and perhaps if he doesn't listen to other bad advices from other leaders. Because at times when we have them before they get what they are looking for, they will be begging, they will be doing this, they will be doing that. But when they get to the place, they forget so many people. But I want to assure you that Honorable Jaja cannot be such a person.
Perhaps your final words for Honorable Jaja, the people of Iju and Ota.
I congratulate the people of Iju that more benefits of this kind will still come their ways, and I wish Honorable Jaja a very.
Orúkọ mi ni Mrs. Adéwọlé.
Alẹ́ ṣe jẹ́.
Àwọn jẹ́ nínú jọmọ́ mọ́sálásí Arárọ̀ mi bíbá.
Jọmọ́ mọ́sálásí kí lẹ wá fẹ́ sọ?
Nítorí fẹ́ sọ.
Bọ́wọ̀ tí Honorable Jaja tó fún yín.
Nítorí nípa Honorable Jaja tó nǹkan tó ṣe fún wa inú wa dùn púpọ̀ gan-an inú àdùn kalẹ̀ nítorí nǹkan tó fi ṣe gbogbo ìgbà tó bá ti nídìí omi bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ kan yóò máa balẹ̀ gbogbo ìgbà tó bá dẹ̀ tó ń lọ pé ọ̀nà òkè ọ̀nà iwájú tó ń lọ yìí lágbára Olúwa mọ́ ẹsẹ̀ débẹ̀ láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà kò ní sáré fún yẹ kò ní sáré fún bàbẹ́ Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kó mọ̀ rí ṣe ọ̀nà rẹ̀ ó mọ̀ lòkè kò dẹ̀ ní ṣìṣe o kò ní sílẹ̀ tẹ o inú wa dùn gan-an ní àdúgbò wa níbẹ̀ kó sẹ́ni tó rí omi báyìí tí mo rí odò agbára Ọlọ́run yóò máa rí ṣe ni o ọ̀nà ò ní dímọ̀ orúkọ mi ni Mrs. Mojí Adéwọlé.
Orúkọ mi ni Yusuf Anjorin, youth leader Adó-Dọ̀tà local government.
Sọ látàrí paribiribi tí Honorable Jaja ń kó pàápàá jùlọ kànga tí ó fún Ìjú community.
Inú mi máa ń dùn gan because tí n bá ti ń rí àwọn youth ẹgbẹ́ tèmi tó bá ti ń ṣe gudugudu méje tòun yàyà mẹ́fà torí this time around àwọn olóṣèlú máa ń dárin kan wá ní ẹ jẹ́ kọ́mọdé kó wá àwọn ọmọ kékeré jòjòló àwọn lọ́rọ̀ Elédùmarè. Inú mi máa ń dùn gan torí pé àsìkò tá a wà yìí a ti rí àwọn youth tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ àwọn bàbá wa ló máa wà ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì nísìnyí a ti ń jẹ́ kí àwọn bàbá wa máa mọ̀ pé this time around àwa youth náà ti mọ̀ kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì. So nígbà tí Jaja dẹ̀ sọ fún mi ni pé òun fẹ́ commission borehole sí mọ́ṣáláṣí kan ó ti ń ṣe tá a ti ń rí lóríṣiríṣi ó ti ṣe tàwọn skul kan náà tá a wà níbẹ̀ nígbà kan. So nígbà tó tún wá náà òun fẹ́ commission borehole yìí inú mi dùn gan torí pé ó sọ fún mi mo dẹ̀ wá ń bí lẹ́nu so mo ní pé ó jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé tóun bá dépò kan òun ṣì máa ṣe ju báyìí lọ àwọn ọba tó dẹ̀ ti ń ṣe Ọlọ́run àpò lọ́wọ́ sí. Orúkọ mi ni Yusuf Anjorin, youth leader Adó-Dọ̀tà local government.